Hello and welcome to this video on finding the volume of a prism. So, prisms are these shapes that are the same all the way through. For example, this loaf of bread. So wherever I decided to cut my bread, anywhere around the bread, I would get the same shape, so this kind of shape, which is what each loaf looks like. Okay, another example of a prism is, I don't know if you've seen this in supermarkets, but this ham that is shaped like a bear's face, and it's got the same bear's face all the way through. So if I decided to cut here, then I would still see the same picture of the bear, because it's exactly the same all the way back through the prism. So this face is the same all the way through. Right, so these are some examples in the real world, but what we like in maths is ones that look more like this. So you'll be familiar with the shape at the front, because we've been looking at it this week, and because we're just, we've got this shape at the front going all the way back, all we need to do is to find the volume of a prism, which is what we want to do, is find the area of this shape at the front and then multiply it by how far back it goes, because we've basically just got this shape again and again and again and again, and to find the volume, so how much space is inside this 3D shape, we just want to multiply this area by how far back it goes. So that leads us to the formula for the volume of a prism, which you can write down on your sheets, which is that the volume of a prism is the area of cross-section, this bit here, times the length, which is how far back it goes. So area of cross-section, the shape you can see at the front, and how far back it goes, in this case 12 centimetres. So you need to write that on your sheets, and also I'm going to tell you that this shape is called a triangular prism because of the triangle shape at the front. So now we've got the formula, we're going to do the maths. We want to work out the area of the cross-section, this bit. So, we know that the area of a triangle is half times base times height. So the base of this triangle is 8 centimetres and the height is 3 centimetres. So we've got half times 8 times 3, which is the same as 12. And because it's area, the units for area are centimetres squared. Now we just need to multiply the area of our cross-section, so this, 12, by the length, which is 12 also, so we get 12 times 12, which is 144, and the units for volume are centimetres cubed, because we've kind of done centimetres times centimetres times centimetres in our calculation. So that's why we get that little 3 centimetres cubed. So this brilliant formula also applies to other prisms, like the cylinder, which is a kind of circular faced prism. See, that's the cross section, and then it's just the same all the way down. And also this cuboid, which kind of has a cross section here, and then it's the same all the way back. So these are some of the shapes we're going to be looking at next lesson. We're going to be finding the volume of lots of different prisms.